Top 10 pinaka-standout na candidates sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Atisa Manalo, 27 years old from Quezon Province, second time joining MUPH at naging top 10 finalist sa Miss Cosmo 2024. Winwin Marquez, 32 years old from Muntinlupa, kauna-unahang Pinay na nanalong Miss Reina Hispano-Americana noong 2017. Iliana Marie Aduana, 26 years old from Siniloan, Laguna, nanalong Miss Philippines Earth 2023 at kinurunahang Miss Earth Air 2023. Chelsea Lovely Fernandez, 25 years old from Sultan Kudarat, kinurunahang Miss Earth Water noong 2019 at nanalong Miss Bikini 2020. Katrina Ligado, 24 years old from Taguig, kinurunahan naman siyang second runner-up sa nagdaang Miss Universe Philippines. Gwendolyn Soriano, 26 years old from Baguio City, binansagang Hakot Queen Award ng Miss Baguio Competition. Richelle Hoco, 23 years old from Oriental Mindoro, kilala bilang isang vlogger at nanalong Miss Oriental Mindoro noong 2019. Maiko Ibarde, 26 years old from Benguet at pangalawang Benguet candidate na lalaban sa Miss Universe Philippines. Chella Falconer, 25 years old from Cebu Province, nagtapos ng top 16 sa MUPH 2021 bilang Miss Misamis Oriental candidate. Jarina Kumari Sandu, 21 years old, isang Indian Filipino from Isabela, kinurunahan bilang Queen of Isabela 2025.